What's going on, everyone? I am going to be recording my trading again today. It's going to be the exact same engulfing strategy from yesterday's video. I have it posted in the LT rooms already. So if you guys want to check that out for all our lifetime members, just go into the LT rooms. It's already in there. And I will be updating the website a little bit later today. So it should be in there, hopefully by the time this video comes out. So I'm going to just load the Predator. We have 2 minutes to go. So just load it up like that. Go to the templates. And this is the only one I have in there now. I cleared everything out. I'm trying to start fresh once again. So we load it up. Has all of our settings. Now I'm just going to be running it on our Lucid account. So hit apply, enable. And make sure the time filter set to 9:30. We are good. We are in business. So now we're just waiting until that 9:30 a.m. and we will start trading. So for this video, I will likely just keep it running. I might move it to one of my different screens. I was trying to record yesterday and I was in trades for literally past noon by the time I was actually done. So usually these mornings I have a lot of emails. I have a lot of things I'm kind of trying to work on. I am working on the next version of the Predator as well. So it is a little bit hard to do these recordings, especially these kinds of strategies where it just takes so long to find a signal. But the backtesting results for this one were a little bit better than other previous pullback strategies. So I am curious. I am trying to run it on a live account or the CVAL, see how it actually works out. And again, guys, not trading advice, not saying you should trade like this. This is just, I want to show what I'm currently working on. I want to show what I'm running on my own accounts. At the end of the day, the Predator is an order entry and management tool. So every user should be configuring it to their own needs. But I know these templates and these sort of videos do help a lot of, especially the newer members, kind of get started. So I'm going to try and record as many of these as possible, but especially with these kinds of strategies, it is a little bit difficult, especially if it takes so long to actually take a trade. But we will see. Actually, if this closes down, that is a signal. So maybe we'll get lucky. Knock on wood here. So for those of you who may have not watched yesterday's video, and it would help if I have my Lucid account selected up here as well. That's why we didn't see the stop or the profit target. So I just didn't have the account up here, but the strategy itself was trading on the Lucid. So that went right to target. So usually it's not that quick. So anyways, for this strategy, for those who haven't watched yesterday's video or just need a refresher, it's a very similar concept to my other pullback strategies. The targets, the stop loss, everything is still exactly the same. We're going for a 50 tick target. We're setting our stop loss at in this case, the high of the previous bar. So the high of this pullback or engulfing candle with a 2 tick offset. So it's just setting it right above here. Now for this one, we are not using any custom signals. It doesn't need any extra indicators. For this one, we're actually using the built-in auto entry features right in here. So the Predator actually comes with its own auto entry functions. So this is actually, we've had this for years. So I just enabled it. It's a very similar concept to our Predator X pullback. This just has slightly different features as well. Like this one, you could also set a bar sense reversal. And this is kind of the main thing that we're focusing on today. And what this is going to do is it's going to limit your engulfing candle or your pullback to happen only within 5 candles of the last reversal. So that is why it ignored this one, which would have been a winner, but It is what it is. It doesn't fit our criteria. So it has to be reversal and 5 candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If our signal does not happen within these 5 bars, it is canceled. Same thing for the longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It must happen within these 5 candles. If not, we don't get a signal. So that is why we haven't seen that many signals. The last one was over here. This was a short. This one would have been a winner. These two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, you would have had 2 there, but realistically, you should have only entered once. Here, this one would have been a winner as well. And if you were trading right at 6 p.m., you would have had some losers. But usually, I don't start my strategies until at least 9:30 a.m. So if we go to filters, you'll notice, again, very similar to my other pullback strategies. Start at 9:30. I have it ending at 4:45, but honestly, this should never trade that long. And I just set a realized profit target, $400 in profit, done for the day. Or if I lose twice or $715 loss, then I'm done for the day as well. So again, very, very, very simple. Doesn't use any other indicators. It's just whatever the predator actually comes with. So now we're looking for a pullback. Nope, that's more than 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So even if this one pulls back, that is not going to be a valid signal. Now, this is something I'm also kind of been looking at. Our Predator X pullback can detect these signals specifically, the ones where you get a reversal and the next candle just goes above the opening price. And actually, I just realized something. I messed up. You guys. I have the wrong bars. I was showing a different example. I actually forgot to change to my Saber Renko bars. Oh, that is fun. So let's see what we would have had with our... This is actually supposed to run on my own bar types, but as you can see, we did not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This actually saved us here. I swear I did not mean to do this. Hi. So this would have actually been an entry signal here. I messed up. That should have been a loser. The Ninjarenko bars kind of prevented that. And now I should probably run it on this. Let me load this up here now. I was actually recording something completely different and I was using Ninjarenko bars. Yeah, that should have been a loser. So sorry guys, if you took that one was a loser. That was my bad there. I might just run it on the Ninjarenko chart here. I'll run it on the sim on my own Saber Renko bars, but just keep in mind there are always going to be differences between both of them. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to split my screen in half. I'm going to run the rest of the day with the Ninjarenko bars on the left-hand side here because we already took a trade. I don't want to interrupt it. I don't want to make any changes. I'll let it run on the sim on the right-hand side. That is embarrassing. I just realized that. Oh. So this one, if it pulls back up above and it comes back down, that's going to give us our signal. So this should be another entry here. There we go. We're break even. We might get stopped out break even here, guys. Yeah. Oh, maybe. There we go. Okay. We hit our profit target. We got lucky today. Obviously, this was this was my blunder. It was supposed to run on the Saberenko bars. That's what I told everyone. That's what I have literally posted on our Discord. Saberenko bars. Yeah, that was my bad. I'll take that one. But so far, if you are on the Saberenko bars, you should have had 2 winners, 1 loser. So you should be, I think, maybe a little under break even, if I'm right. Let me know how you guys are doing. I'm gonna post this P&L on the Discord, and I will upload this video in just a little bit. Take these screenshots here, and I'll keep running it on the Saberenko bars just to see how the day turns out. Maybe it does turn out to be a winner. You should need, if you get 2 more winners, you should be good for the day. So we'll see about that. But I am going to cut the video here. We got lucky within the first 10 minutes of open. I am done for the day. So again, I hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys are looking for a free trial of the Predator X order entry, that's our order entry management tool that you see here. You can configure any orders you want, customize your order management, set manual, semi, fully auto trades, set your additional filters, realize P&L, time limits, anything that you need to create your perfect strategy. And yes, we can even automate third-party indicators. And all you have to do to get started, just go to TradeSaber.com, create a free account, and you'll have access to a 7-day free trial. And guys, I'm also available if you have any questions. Feel free to message me on Discord, tag me on the chat, DM me, send us an email, support@TradeSaber.com. If you guys need help with anything, just reach out and we will get you sorted out. But I am going to cut the video here. Hope you guys found this useful. As always, take care, enjoy. Oh, actually, we are in a trade here. All right, Saberenko is coming back up. You should just need 1 more win. But I am going to cut my video here. So again, see you guys in the next one.